Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to BlockFi account withdrawals, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore access to your BlockFi account withdrawals, begin by visiting the BlockFi website. Log into your BlockFi account using your registered email and password. If you encounter any issues logging in, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to receive an email with a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the provided link to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that meets BlockFi's security requirements. After resetting your password, log in to your account again. Next, verify your identity if prompted by providing any necessary documentation. If your account is still restricted, locate the option to submit a support request. Clearly explain the issue you're facing in the support request form. Include relevant account details, such as your email and any other requested information. After submitting the support request, expect a response from BlockFi's support team. The response will guide you through any additional steps needed to restore access. Once your access is restored, navigate to the withdrawal section of your account. Ensure you follow all necessary procedures for making withdrawals, including any required verifications. Finally, double-check that all details are accurate before confirming your withdrawal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.